Bara ya kuhukia COVID-19 ikuhotwo angikorwo Kenya nimeguthie na mbere na kurumirira mawatho ma ministry ya ugima wa mwiri igana kwa igana. Mutongoria wa kiama kia Wiper Kalonzo Musyoka ni orite Akenya metekire gwikira mask mahinda mothe niguo kurigiriria gutamba kwa murimu uyu.
When I'm wearing a mask, I'm protecting you. When you're wearing a mask, you're also protecting me. So it is mutual. And once again, I want to join President Uhuru Kenyatta, and a lot of Kenyans have actually said he has taken the right decision.
Oho ni orite thirikari itigirire Akenya othe ni megira na mask kumana na uhoti wacio wa kugiririria COVID-19 na makiria aria matari na uhoti wa gucigura.
And I want to urge that every effort be made to make these masks easily available. Because if you ask a border rider to buy one and buy for his passenger, is asking for too much, because that border is charging 50 shillings.
Kambuni itiganite guku bururi-ini ni ithiete na mbere na guthondeka mask ici niguo gutigirira gutire na unyihu wa gitambaya giki gia bata ihinda-ini riri.
Let us avoid the lockdown by making sure we wash our hands thoroughly. I'm seeing light at the end of the tunnel. This COVID-19 cannot be with us forever. We know it is going to pass.
Hadini ha Inooro TV, njitagwo Kiama Kariuki.